Today we're going to be unboxing the Dualtron Eagle. Let's get right to it here. Opening the box. First, you will have your 1.75 amp charger. Next, you're going to have your LED controller. This is going to control all the lights on the scooter. And next, you're going to have some motor rubber covers. These will cover the nuts on the end of the motor here. Next, you're going to have your 2-pin connector that goes into your charger. Next, you will have your Dualtron Eagle user manual. And last but not least, you will have your front fender. All right, now we can get into actually taking the scooter out. I'm going to start by taking the styrofoam out and lifting the handlebar up. And then when you take out the scooter, it's pretty heavy, so I'd recommend grabbing it from the bottom here, and then probably from the back fender. And you're gonna go ahead and lift the scooter up. Okay, so next you're gonna have to lightly assemble the scooter. You do this by first starting with the handlebars. Okay, so these 2 clamps right here, you're gonna go ahead and unlatch those. And you are gonna push these together. And then you're gonna pull the handlebars up here and let it go. See, and the clamp is gonna be just before this white line here. And then you're gonna go ahead and clamp the handlebars in. You're also gonna clamp the stem. So this ring, you're gonna wanna have this ring go all the way down. And then to tighten it, you're just gonna spin this clamp here. And then, there you go. So on the handlebar here, you're gonna have your right brake. This is gonna be your front brake. You're gonna have your LCD display and throttle. You'll also have your left brake. This is going to be your back brake. And on this switch here, you're gonna have your eco and turbo mode. Also your single and dual motor mode. Next, we're going to install the fender. And to install the fender, you'll have this single screw in this little bag here. You can take your toolkit that also comes with the scooter. It says Dualtron, it's fancy. And you're just going to go ahead and put the screw on the end there. You're going to take the fender. So you're just going to go ahead and fit it right on there. And then there's a little hole at the bottom that just screws right in there. It's good to go. Next, you're gonna have your stem lock. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna go ahead and let you lock the stem when folding it so you can carry it. You could just take this out and it's actually gonna line up with these 2 holes back here. You're gonna wanna take your 2 screws out and use your Dualtron multi-tool. And you'll simply just line these up with the holes. Okay, so once you have the stem lock installed, you can go ahead and release the clamp on the stem. Make sure this is loose, loosen this up. You don't want to pull this up, and there's a little bit of resistance, so you're going to want to pull that all the way down. And you're going to want to take this little lever out here, and there you go. So another cool feature of Dualtron is that it has this kill switch down here. And then with the charger you have here, you will plug the charger into these 2 ports as shown here. Plug the charger into the port before you plug it into the wall. There you go. These are 11-inch tubeless tires. Dualtron, it also features 2 taillights in the back, and when you squeeze, it will show that you're braking. So another cool thing about Dualtron is it comes with a full LED light display all the way down the stem, and that is controlled by this remote here. So you're gonna wanna take the remote and point it to the front of the scooter here. And there you go, and this has a bunch of presets as well. You can also make the lights flash, you can make them jump, and you can make them meteor. Whoa. It's high tech right there. All right, so this concludes our unboxing video of the Dualtron Eagle Pro. If you have any questions or comments, drop it down in the comments section. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to VoroMotors.